Genius.
Mona Lisa, this is fire.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen carefully. The strongest force in your life is focus, and focus is destroyed the moment you open your mouth. Never tell people what you do. Why? Because the instant you speak, you give away power. Energy leaves your vision, and doubt enters through the words of others. When you talk too much, you invite criticism. You invite envy. You invite the weakness of opinions from those who have achieved nothing. And what happens? Their doubts sink into your mind, poisoning your belief. That is how dreams die, not by failure, but by exposure. True builders keep quiet. The tallest trees grow in silence. The most powerful rivers carve mountains without noise. Your goals are seeds, and every seed grows in darkness first. Speak too soon, and you dig it up before it has roots. Remember, results are the only language that needs no translation. You don't need to explain. You don't need to prove. When your success stands before the world, it speaks louder than 1,000 promises. Silence is discipline. Silence is strength. While others talk, you work. While others boast, you build. While others explain, you execute. So guard your vision. Lock it inside your heart. Work in the shadows. And when the time is right, step into the light, not with words, but with victory so undeniable the world has no choice but to respect you. Never tell people what you do. Show them when it's done. Silence is power. Energy wasted in talk weakens results. The more you explain, the less you execute. The more you reveal, the more you invite resistance, jealousy, and doubt. Too many people give away their vision before it is born, and then wonder why their dreams never survive. You must learn the discipline of silence, because silence guards your focus and protects your destiny. Think about it. Every time you tell people what you plan to do, you give them the opportunity to place their fears inside your mind. They tell you it's impossible. They remind you of your past failures. They laugh at you, or worse, they pretend to support you while secretly hoping you fail. That is the reality of the world. People envy more than they encourage. They criticize more than they help. They tear down more than they build. And every time you open your mouth to declare your plan, you place your seed of greatness into their hands, where it will be crushed before it has the chance to grow.
Peekaboo.
Genius.
Hey, that's my bitch.